All right, we're in front of the house right now, and guess what we just found? In front of our house, a little bitty bunny. Say hi to the bunny. Just don't run into that little hole. Oh no, I think they know about that. I think they put a screen up there.
Oh, it jumped in.
Oh, damn.
Go
Go turn on it. Go turn it on before he becomes stank. Now, guess what? The little bunny just ran up our hole. Now he's gonna come back out the hole. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go, bunny. He shot out that hole like,
Yeah?
oh yeah, he was like, what the fuck? Oh no.
What are you doing? So he can't really go in the house.
No. If anything, he'll go into the dryer. And then he'll be stuck right
Look at him
there.
running. Go, 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 go.
Go, bunny. Is that a cute little bunny? It's a cute little bunny. Cute little bunny. Cute little bunny. Cute little bunny. Cute little bunny.